Hello YouTube viewers. So in the last video we have created the AWS account. So basically when we create an account, it will be a root account and you don't have to use your root account for any purpose. We will only use that for billing purpose, and we only use admin account for other services, for using services in AWS. So let's create one. Go to services, IAM, search for IAM, manage access and resources in AWS. Here you can see welcome to identity and access management. Click on users. As you can see, I have one user named Nawaz. You can go add user, name of the user. You can add multiple users at a single time. This is access type, programmatic access and AWS management console access. So we will give both. And custom password, we will select a password for this user. This will give the management console access, and this will give access to AWS API, CLI and SDK and so on. Next, permissions. So here you can see it's saying set permissions, and the idea in AWS for users is like you attach policies for permissions. So the policies are like permissions you attach separately. Here you can search for administrator access. Next, name NXE. Next, manage policy, key, create user. Okay, so here you can see the access ID and your secret ID. This is very important, guys. If you lose it, you cannot access your account. You have to create new secret access key. You can access this key access key, but the secret key, it will be for one time. So when you close this window, it will be gone. We'll see more how we can, restore user password, and it's basically used for AWS CLI, where we will be authorizing our user in CLI. So let's skip this for now. Close. So you can see user has been created, name NXE. If you go to your dashboard again, you can see this link. Copy this link, paste it. To log into your admin account, you have to go via this link. This basically is your root account. So you can, as you can see, as I have logged in, it says reload. So let's go here. IAM username is NXE, password, it says old password, new password. Old password is this, new password is this. Retype, confirm password change. Please try again. Okay. Confirm password change. Cool. So this will be your admin account. As you can see, the name is clearly showing here, NXE. And you will have no access to your billing resources. If you go here and type for billing, which is basically your billing, you can see no permissions. Unit permissions. Cool. So the billing access is only for the root user. The root user is required for billing. We will use admin account because for some security reasons, of course. Okay guys, I hope you like this video and catch you in my next video. Take care.